I remember like 4 or 5 years ago, every single brunch spot in Atlanta had red velvet chicken and waffles, and I thought about BQE this morning, so I had to make some. All right, first things first, I got 4 tablespoons of softened butter and cream cheese. We're gonna mix that together, then add in 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, half a cup of whole milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're gonna blend that together till it's nice and smooth, then put it to the side. In another bowl, I got 2 cups of flour. I got about a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I got 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Then I got about a tablespoon and a teaspoon of baking powder, and then half a teaspoon of salt. Whisk that together and set it to the side. In another bowl, I got 1 3/4 cups of buttermilk, 2 eggs, some 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and then a half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Don't forget to add the butter like I did. You're going to use 1/3 cup of melted butter. Mix that together and then add in your red food coloring. I use a full tube of this gel food coloring. Then add your wet ingredients to your dry. Mix that together, and when your waffle iron's ready, spray it with non-stick cooking spray. I added about 1.5 cups of the batter. Once it's done, I just glazed it with that icing, hit it with some sprinkles, and it was good to go. Peace.